Hi. If you have Logitech H600 headphones and they're not charging because the old micro USB socket is broken, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to fix this problem permanently. It might not look the prettiest, but it will be very durable. Replacing the original micro USB socket is a real pain. Start by removing the foam ear pad. Unscrew all 4 screws, then carefully open the headphone housing. Be gentle and don't tear the wires. Separate this part from the headphones. Then desolder the speaker wires. Remember or take a photo of how they were connected. Also, desolder the microphone wires. As you can see, the original USB charging socket is completely broken. The hardest part is finding exactly the same socket. Even worse, when the socket breaks, the PCB traces on the board are usually damaged, which makes this repair not suitable for beginners. So instead, I'll install a different socket that anyone can do. Unscrew the main board so you can access it from both sides, and carefully remove it from the headphone housing. If the old socket isn't firmly attached to the board anymore, just remove it off. Connect the broken socket to a charging cable and use a multimeter to identify which pin is plus 5 volts and which is ground. Because the charging traces on the board were damaged when the socket broke, you'll need to restore the side traces slightly. Carefully scrape off the protective coating so you can solder wires to them. You'll need a new charging socket. The link is in the video description. Next, using a drill or reaming tool, make a hole for the new charging socket. It's important to place it where the socket won't interfere with closing the headphone housing. Install the new socket and check that everything fits properly. Tin the restored traces on the board. Find 2 thin wires. You can take them from old headphones or toys. Tin the socket contacts as well. This improves soldering quality. Solder the 2 wires to the charging traces on the board, and remember which wire is plus 5 volts and which is ground. Fix the wires in place and insulate them with glue. Hot glue works very well for this. Then add glue to the new socket and glue it into the headphone housing. Add extra glue from the inside. Take some baking soda from your grandmother's kitchen and sprinkle it over superglue. Together, they create instant cement. Put back in place screw board to headphone housing. Now solder the wires to the socket. This step is very important. The plus 5 volt wire goes to the center pin, and the ground wire goes to the outer contacts. Use tape to secure the wires, then reassemble the headphone housing. Solder back the speaker and microphone wires exactly as they were before the repair. Close the housing and screw everything back together. To charge the headset, you'll need a USB cable with a 5.5 by 2.5 mm plug. Or, in the next video, I'll show you how to make that cable yourself. Connect the headphones to the charger and check. They're charging. Nice. I've got my headphones back. Put the foam pad back on and that's it. You've saved your wallet and the planet by repairing these Logitech headphones.